Alright, so hello everyone. We're going to start today with the next exercise, exercise 1C. Correct? Let's see the kind of questions that we have. Let's see and focus on the first question. It says minus 14 by 5 multiplied by minus 6 by 7. Now check out the difference between the earlier questions and this question. Earlier questions, if you recall in exercise 1A and B, they used to have plus or minus in between. But now we have multiplication in between. Even if most of you know how to solve these kind of questions, but will still revise once. Okay, let's see. Then we take the first question. Minus 14 on 5 multiplied by minus 6 by 7. Alright. Let's start. Now look, whenever there is a multiplication sign in between two terms, we should not take LCM. LCM is not to be taken. Then what is to be done? When there is multiplication, listen carefully. When there is multiplication, multiply numerators आपस में, denominators आपस में. That means it is 14 into 6. So 14 6 are, yes, 14 6 are, correct, 84 upon 5 7s are, come on, 5 7s are, correct, 35. That's my answer. If further cancellations or cuttings are possible, I'll do, but if not, I'll leave the answer here. Can I say it simple? Let's check out just one more question. Let's take, for example, this one. Visible? This question. It says evaluate so and so. Now, I'll write the question here. Alright, let's begin. Solve one bracket first. Then solve this bracket. Answer of this bracket and this bracket at last will be added. Let's begin with the first step. So when there is multiplication in between two terms, numerator आपस में, denominator आपस में. So 2 5s are 10, but minus. Plus into minus is minus, so minus 10. 3 4s are 12. Plus as it is. Two terms के बीच में multiplication. So numerator आपस में 15. Denominator आपस में 90. But plus into minus, minus. So minus 90. Now I've got something like this. Can I say it is now two terms के बीच में plus or minus? That means I'll have to take LCM. Yes or no? Yes, I can. But just before I do that, I can make it a bit simple by cutting or cancellations, because the tables are possible here and here as well. So here, can I apply 2's table? So 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 12. Plus as it is. Can I apply 5's table? 5 3s are 15. And here 5 1s are 5. I'm left with 4. That becomes 40. 5 8s are 40. Minus as it is. Still any cancellations possible here? Yes. So 3 1s are and 3 6 are 18. Correct. So I'm left with minus 5 by 6 plus 1 upon minus 6. Now I've told you this earlier that this minus is here or in between is not a big deal. Okay. So that becomes minus 5 by 6 plus into minus minus. 1 by 6. Now, since there is minus or plus between two terms, I'll have to take LCM. But luckily, the numbers are same. So that means LCM remains 6. I'll write it only once. Now, minus 5 minus 1. Minus minus plus. 5 plus 1, 6. Greater number sign, minus. So minus 6 upon 6. Therefore, the answer is minus 1. Got it? Everybody? Nice. Let's see the questions ahead. So we're done with understanding these kind of simple multiplications. These kind of multiplications. Now, let's see this question. It says multiply each rational number given below by 1. Now, before you see any question, tell me, anything if I multiply by 1, for example, if I multiply 72 by 1, what is the answer? 72, the same number again. So similarly, 7 upon minus 5 into 1, answer is same, 7 upon minus 5, and so on for all of them. Acha, let's talk about this one. Minus 6 by minus 7 into 1, answer is again same, minus 6 upon minus 7. Yes, further step, I can cancel out minus minus, so answer is 6 upon 7. Got it? Let's see this one. 0. 0 into 1. You'll say 0. And that's correct. Got it? Let's go ahead. Now we will see this bit different kind of question. Alright, let's see. It says, for each pair of rational numbers given below, verify that multiplication is commutative. If you recall, we have covered commutative property of addition. Now we are checking out commutative property of multiplication. Let's do it together. I'll note down the question. Minus 1 by 5 and 2 by 9. See the question once again. Huh? These numbers, I need to check what? For each pair of rational numbers, 1 second please. For each pair of rational numbers given below, yani this, verify that the multiplication is commutative. So let's see. In other words, I have to multiply this number, get an answer. Then again pick same numbers, but interchange the position and get the answer. If both times answer is same, I will say therefore it is true. What is true? Commutative property for multiplication is true. Alright, let's see this one. So I will say minus 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 9. I'll solve it. So numerator आपस में, that becomes minus 2 upon 9 5s are 45. That's my answer. Now let's interchange the position. 2 by 9 I'll write first, then I'll write multiplied by minus 1 by 5. Again 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 9 5s are 45. Done. Are the answers same? Yes, they are same. If they are same, what will I say? I'll say, therefore, commutative property of multiplication is true for this set of rational numbers. Correct? Everybody? Can I proceed? Let's see. Similarly, this, and this question. Now, time for the next. It says, write the reciprocal. Write the reciprocal, which is also called as multiplicative inverse of each of the rational number given below. In simple words, I have to write the reciprocal of 5. When I say reciprocal, it simply means 1 upon the given number. So, what will be the reciprocal of 5? Answer is 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of minus 3. 1 upon minus 3. Reciprocal of 5 by 11. I know you know the answer, but we'll still do it together. I'm finding the reciprocal of 5 by 11. Answer will be 1 upon 5 by 11. Can this be solved further? Yes. Now pay attention. What I'll say next, you'll also use it in the next exercise. So be attentive. This is like 1 upon 5 by 11. In other words, 1 divided by 5 by 11. So I'll write it. That is 1 divided by 5 by 11. Division can be converted into multiplication. How? Next step. I'll say 1. Instead of division, I can write multiply now. How? When you do convert from division to multiplication sign, you'll have to reciprocate this number. That means ulta. 1 by 11 upon 5. Sorry, 1 multiplied by 11 upon 5. Answer is 11 upon 5. I know you already knew the answer. Reciprocal of 5 by 11 is 11 upon 5. I still wanted to show that look, division can be converted into multiplication, and while you do that, this number becomes ulta. Ulta means reciprocal. तो सर ये फाइंड करने का क्या जरूरत था, हम लोग को मालूम है ना 11/5. I know, but I still wanted you to understand this step. Okay. Similarly, next, what will be the reciprocal of -7 upon -8? First of all, minus minus I can cancel here only. 7 upon 8 का reciprocal is ulta 8 upon 7. Similarly this. Next, find the reciprocal of this. Alright, let's take it. 3 upon 5, just a second. Into 2 by 3. I have to find the reciprocal of this. 3 upon 5 into 2 by 3. So first I will solve this. Then I'll take the reciprocal of it. So when there is multiplication sign between two terms, तो numerator आपस में, denominator आपस में. 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Any cancellations possible? Yes. Can I apply 3's table? 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. This is my answer. Now this needs to be reciprocated. In other words, question says इसका reciprocal क्या है? तो मैंने अभी तक reciprocal find नहीं किया, मैंने इसको solve किया तो ये answer आया. अब इसका reciprocal find करना है. I'll say reciprocal, therefore reciprocal of this is 5 by 2. उल्टा. हाँ कि ना? Understandable? Alright, let's see ahead. So these are same kind of questions. Now let's check out 8th question. Verify that x plus y into z equals to x into z plus y into z for this first question and second question. But wait, before I start with this, I'll tell you what exactly is this. Okay, so we'll learn something called as distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. Let's see what do we mean by this. We will learn this topic today. Distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction, whatever. For example, we'll first consider addition. This property says कि मान लो I have something like this, A multiplied by B plus C. Okay. Consider these are numbers, okay, A, B and C are numbers. For now, if I have something like this, so if I have to solve this, तो you will say, sir, ब्रैकेट कभी भी पहले सॉल्व होता है, so B plus C का आंसर निकालेंगे, that answer I'll multiply by A and that is my final answer and that is perfectly correct. But distributive property of multiplication says कि इसको सॉल्व करने का we have one more method and that is जब भी यू फाइंड कि ब्रैकेट के अंदर दो टर्म्स के बीच में प्लस माइनस है लेकिन ब्रैकेट के बाहर एक टर्म उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाइड है, आई रिपीट, ब्रैकेट के अंदर प्लस या माइनस है दो टर्म्स के बीच में एंड ब्रैकेट के बाहर देयर इज अ टर्म विच इज इन मल्टीप्लीकेशन विद दिस ब्रैकेट, देन यू कैन अप्लाई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी जिसमें होगा रिजल्ट कुछ ऐसा, दैट बिकम्स A into B. Then I will write this plus. Then A into C. इसका जो आंसर आएगा, that answer will also be correct and that answer and आपका normal method वाला answer will be same. So what did I do here? मैंने मल्टीप्लिकेशन को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, एक बार इसके साथ एक बार इसके साथ, सो वी कॉल इट एज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इस केस में किसके साथ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया? एडिशन. अगर यहां पे सब्ट्रैक्शन होता तो सिर्फ यहां पे माइनस आ जाता और यहां पे रिजल्ट में क्या हो जाता? माइनस. दैट्स द सेम थिंग. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. This one is a bit complicated for us to start. Let's start with a small or simple example. Alright, I will give an example. For example, if I have 6 into 3 plus 2. Let's solve it using both the methods. First normal method. So it becomes पहले bracket solve. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into 6. 5 6 are 30. Now using second method, that means distributive property method. उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? 6 into 3 plus 6 into 2 which is equal to 6 3s are 18 plus 6 2s are 12. What is 18 plus 12? Is 30. Did we get the same answer? Yes. So I can use this method also, this method also. What is this method called? It is called as distributive property of multiplication. Alright. Now, coming back to our question. It says verify that x plus y into z equals to x into z plus y into z. Can I say, in other words, he is telling me to verify nothing else but distributive property. किसके लिए? इस given question के लिए. क्या question है मेरे पास? x, y और z का वैल्यू दिया है, तो चलो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. I'll write the question once again. x plus y into z equals to x into z plus y into z. If first one x का वैल्यू दिया है 4/5, y का वैल्यू दिया है -2/3 एंड z का वैल्यू दिया है -4. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन. आई हैव टू वेरीफाई दिस कि क्या ये और ये आपस में इक्वल आते हैं कि नहीं, वो चेक करना है, वो वेरीफाई करना है. तो वेरीफाई कैसे करेंगे? इन दिस इक्वेशन I'll substitute the value of x, y and z. In this equation also I'll substitute the value of x, y and z. अगर इक्वल आया I'll say yes it is verified. हाँ कि ना? तो स्टार्ट करें. चलो, तो बिगिन विथ, सबसे पहले ध्यान देना y को 2 माइनस है, which means minus into minus becomes plus. So y का वैल्यू is nothing else but 2/3. x का वैल्यू ये है, z का ये है. अब मुझे वेरीफाई करना है ये और ये इक्वल है या नहीं. तो अगर वेरीफाई करना है तो मैं इक्वल टू साइन स्टार्टिंग में नहीं डाल सकता. I'll take something called as LHS, RHS. स्टेप समझ रहे क्या? दिस इज माई स्टेप 1. स्टेप 1, इस पार्ट को I'll call LHS. LHS मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. और ये कौन सा है? राइट हैंड साइड. तो राइट हैंड साइड. एंड बीच में यस वी विल हैव टू पुट अ लाइन, नॉट इक्वल टू. तो LHS में x प्लस वाई इंटू जेड, ठीक है, x प्लस वाई इंटू जेड. RHS में x इंटू जेड प्लस वाई इंटू जेड. अब चलो सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं वैल्यूज. x का वैल्यू 4/5 प्लस y का वैल्यू 2/3 इंटू z का वैल्यू -4. RHS में सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं. RHS में x का वैल्यू 4/5 वापस इंटू z का वैल्यू -4 प्लस y का वैल्यू 2/3 इंटू z का वैल्यू -4. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. Now if I solve this next step में, तो कैन आई से दो टर्म्स के बीच में प्लस है तो एलसीएम लेना पड़ेगा. एलसीएम लेके जो आंसर आएगा आई विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय -4. दैट बिकम्स माय आंसर. सिमिलरली यहां पे पहले इसको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इसको डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं मतलब कितना है 1. इसको भी डिनोमिनेटर कुछ नहीं मतलब कितना है 1. तो न्यूमरेटर आपस में, डिनोमिनेटर आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. उसका आंसर एड विथ इसका आंसर, दैट बिकम्स RHS. तो अगर यहां पे और यहां पे दोनों जगह पे आंसर सेम आया तो आई विल से देयरफॉर दिस इज वेरीफाइड. नाउ आई विल लीव दिस सॉल्विंग पार्ट अप टू यू पीपल एज होमवर्क. हाँ, कुछ और होमवर्क भी है, बट दिस यू आर सी फर्स्ट. I would suggest pause the video for a second. Understand this once again. Step 1, LHS, RHS लिखो. Write this here, this here. Then substitute the values, then solve. If दोनों side का answer is correct, or I would say same, then say this is verified. Got it? I would suggest pause the video. Understand this once again. Do it and see. Once done, then solve exactly similar question. 8 का फर्स्ट अभी हुआ तो 8 का सेकंड करना है सेम. 9 क्वेश्चन भी सेम है, सेम. यू गॉट टू डू इट. Once this much is done, this means we are done with question number till question number 9th of which exercise? Of exercise 1C. So that's it for today. I will need this exercise 1C ka up to question number 9 from you people as homework. If people want, they can try question 10th and 11th also. They are similar or easy, but यहाँ तक मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए in my next lecture. Okay? We gotta stop here. See you very soon. Thank you, everyone.